Guys, this is the base of the seasoned rice, the anchor, the most important part. So you have to make sure you taste this before you add the rice to it, because if this off, you can't, there's no turning back. Once you enjoy the taste of the sauce or the liquid or whatever you want to call it, once you enjoy the taste of this, you're going to enjoy the rice, guarantee. So make sure you go in, taste it, and make sure you love it. Once you love this, then you can go in and add the rice. You're not gonna have no problem, right? So go over the line. So wash the rice. I'm gonna add it to it. I'm going in with a pound of rice. Alright, we're gonna cover the pot and allow that to steam.